Summer is finally here. The kids are home, friends are coming over for barbecues, families visiting all the time. So we wanted to upgrade our space for some evening and fun entertainment. I was given the opportunity to try out these permanent outdoor lights. They come with 300 feet of lighting. So I thought they would be perfect for the deck, and also other exterior areas around the house. The lighting kit comes with everything you need. It comes with an instruction manual and also a remote. And I have a tip for the remote, so stay tuned and I'll explain it when I'm showing you more of the lighting. This is the 300 feet of lighting cable. There's a little extra baggie of screws and one receiver, as well as two little leads that plug into the lights. I'm excited to put these lights on the house because then I feel like we're already done for like Christmas and Halloween, and we can just change the colors, which is so awesome. This is our main area that I really wanted to kind of glam up. The lights are IP67 waterproof, so I don't have to worry about rain or this crazy Canadian weather. Installation was really straightforward, and the low voltage design makes them really energy efficient too. Each individual light comes with a little red sticker on the back. You just peel that off and then you stick it to the clean area. All right, let's show you what the house now looks like at night. This turned out amazing. My favorite thing about these lights is that they are fully customizable with millions of colors, and they even sync to the beat of the music. They're controlled through an app, so changing the look is really easy. The app is called Lotus Lantern that you download, and you can easily change colors, effects, brightness, and even the timers from your phone or an iPad like that I'm using right here. Now, what I found with using the iPad is that I couldn't be more than like 20 to 30 feet from where the receiver was plugged in. If I went further than that, the app was still working, but the lights weren't changing, like it wasn't communicating. So I guess that would be a good thing to be mindful of, is to think about where you're putting the receiver. And if you're going to use the remote, it seems like it has to be right by the receiver. So the app is definitely gives you a lot more flexibility to use. My kids are so excited now for Halloween because we can create our own like spooky little light setup. I'm so happy with the way the front of the house turned out as well. I love just having those natural white lights for everyday use in the evenings. So if you're looking for a permanent outdoor lighting set for the holidays, entertaining, or everyday curb appeal, these are definitely worth checking out.